Summer road trips are a highlight of the year, but a breakdown or preventable issue can quickly derail your plans. A few simple checks before you leave can make the difference between a great trip and a frustrating one. Let's go through 6 key steps to help you travel safely and stress-free. Tip 1. Check your tyres. Your tyres are your vehicle's first line of safety. Don't overlook them. Tread depth should be above the legal minimum of 1.6mm. Aim for 3mm for better grip. Check tyre pressure, including the spare if you have one. Low pressure equals poor handling and higher blowout risk. Look for signs of damage, cracks, bulges, or uneven wear. Tip 2. Top up fluids and test the battery. Heat and long journeys put extra stress on your car's systems. Check engine oil and top up if needed. Fill up your coolant to prevent overheating, and if your battery is older than 3 years or slow to start, get it tested before setting off. Tip 3. Test lights and wipers. Seeing and being seen is crucial, especially in changing weather. Check all lights, headlights, indicators and brake lights. Replace worn wiper blades. Don't wait until you're caught in a downpour. And fill up your washer fluid. Bugs, dust and road grime can reduce visibility fast. What's your go-to tip for a successful road trip? Let us know in the comments and help other drivers hit the road with confidence. Remember to hit subscribe and turn on notifications to keep updated with new weekly Drive Smart videos. Tip 4. Plan your route and rest stops. Good planning helps avoid surprises and driver fatigue. Use a GPS or app to check for delays, closures or traffic. Schedule breaks every 2 hours to stay alert and refreshed. Have an alternate route just in case. Flexibility helps avoid frustration. Tip 5. Pack an emergency kit. Being prepared gives peace of mind. Include a first aid kit, jump leads, torch, blanket and tools. Bring extra water, snacks and a power bank for your phone. If travelling abroad, check local driving laws. Some countries require safety equipment by law. Tip 6. Stay comfortable and hydrated. Safe driving starts with a clear head and a comfortable seat. Dress comfortably and sit with proper posture to reduce fatigue. Drink water regularly, especially in the heat. Keep sunglasses handy to reduce glare and eye strain. With a little planning and a few simple checks, your summer trip can be safe, smooth and full of great memories. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe for more Drive Smart tips and remember, when you drive smart, you drive safe.